In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track email opens in Microsoft Outlook. We'll use Outlook's built-in read receipt feature so you can request a notification when someone opens your message. Keep in mind, read receipts are a request, not a guarantee. Some recipients or organizations may block them, and recipients can choose not to send a receipt. Still, this is the most straightforward way to get insight into whether your email was viewed. Let's start on Outlook for Windows or Mac. Begin by creating a new message with new email. Once the Compose window is open, look along the top ribbon for the Options tab. This tab controls extra features for your message. Inside, you'll see tracking options. Select Request a Read Receipt to attach a read confirmation request to this specific email. Now write your subject and message as you normally would, add your recipients, and send. If the recipient's system allows it and they agree to send a receipt, you'll get a notification indicating the message was opened. If you don't receive a receipt, that doesn't always mean it wasn't read. It may simply have been blocked or declined. Next, let's do the same thing in Outlook on the web for work or school accounts. Open your browser, go to Outlook on the web, and start a new message with new mail. In the Compose window, select the three dots, which open more actions. Choose Show Message